Hey YouTube, ASC checking in with you tonight. So I got an Acura MDX 2014. We got a check engine light on, and we also got the electronic power steering system failure. One of the two codes that we have right now is the power relay stuck off and the VSA system malfunction. As I was driving the vehicle back from the location, the steering wheel was very stiff. Even when I was in the area where it broke down at, it was hard to turn the steering wheel. The issue with this is the steering wheel. It's very stiff to turn, all right? It's very difficult. I believe the electronic power steering motor on the rack and pinion is damaged. We got the electronic steering light on. So right now, we're doing an emergency drive back on the Garden State Parkway to get it back to the shop. All right, so now that I'm in the live data under the electronic power steering system module, I'm looking at the voltage. So first thing I see is the VT1, and we only at 2 volts. Then also the FST call, we only at 2.44, and the same thing for the FST voltage, which is at 44. Now, the voltage on these modules look low, and then comparatively to the to the battery voltage. So you see from the ignition voltage, we have 14 point something volts, right? And then when we go to the battery voltage, it's showing me 12.38. So even as I turn the steering wheel, I'm seeing that I have some change in the motor angle, but I don't have no change in the offset angle. Also, the voltages that I showed you before, I do see, change in that too. But again, too, battery voltage is dropping low, and I'm not sure if it's because of something else that's causing this. Maybe a broken wire or something. Maybe the motor may be defective. But I'm going to have to go into some further investigation to see what's really the cause of this issue. All right, YouTube, this is the next day. So I'm running a scan to see, on all the other systems to see what are the codes that's on this thing. All right, the codes that came up for is the EPS, tire pressure monitor system, safety restraint, and engine. But I don't think any of these three will have anything to relate with this. What I'm going to try next is erasing the code from the EPS and see what happens. Okay, I erased the light. Now going to live data. My time in this video is about to end, so check in for part.